of our velocity to be 1.09 meters per second. I hope we are now clear the air, the web. Now, we are also asked to get the impulse between the two, which one gained and which one lost the impulse. But you know that from the formula of momentum, Ft is equal to mv, that is mass times final velocity minus mass times initial velocity. Then the mass of the moving train is 0.3 times the velocity, which is 2, plus the mass of the stationary train is 0.25 times 0 minus the mass of the train, which is moving train, which is 0.303 times the initial velocity, which is 2. After we did our computation, we have 0.005 meters per second. But for the mass of the stationary body, we have that 2, which is the mass of the moving body, times 0.3 plus 0.25, which is the mass of the stationary body, times 0 minus 0.05, that is the mass of the both body combined together times their common velocity, which you now have 0.6 minus 20.3052. If you did subtraction, we have minus 0.2948 Newton seconds. Therefore, there is loss of momentum after collision, but there is a gain in momentum before collision. Temperature measurements. Temperature is the degree of hotness of a body. Temperature scale. Absolute temperature scale. The ice point is 273 Kelvin and the steam point is 373 Kelvin. Celsius scale. The ice point is 0 degrees centigrade and the steam point is 100 degrees centigrade. Fahrenheit scale. The ice point is 32 Fahrenheit and the steam point is 212 Fahrenheit. Heat. It is a form of energy that can increase the temperature of a body. Scale used in measuring the temperature change. 1. Centigrade scale. 2. Fahrenheit scale. 3. Raman scale. 4. Absolute scale. Temperature. Lower fixed point, upper fixed point. In centigrade, the lower fixed point is 0 degrees and the upper fixed point is 100 degrees. For temperature of Fahrenheit, the lower fixed point is 32 Fahrenheit. The upper fixed point is 212 Fahrenheit. For temperature of Raman, the lower fixed point is 0 degrees. Upper fixed point is 80 degrees. For temperature of absolute, lower fixed point is 273. Upper fixed point is 373. Figure 2.1 shows the temperature scale. Temperature of steam at 760 mm Hg. Absolute temperature or Kelvin is 373 Kelvin, while the Celsius temperature is 100 degrees centigrade and the Fahrenheit is 212 Fahrenheit. Temperature of melting ice. The absolute temperature or Kelvin is 273 Kelvin. the Celsius temperature is 0 degrees and the Fahrenheit is 32 Fahrenheit. For absolute zero, the absolute temperature or Kelvin is 0 Kelvin. The Celsius is minus 273 degrees, while the Fahrenheit is minus 459.7 Fahrenheit. The relationship between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius of minus 0 all over 100 minus 0 is equals to minus Fahrenheit, which is 32 minus 0 all over 212 minus 32. Centigrade over 100 is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 over 18. Centigrade is equal to 100 times Fahrenheit minus 32 all over 18. Therefore, Fahrenheit is 5 in bracket F minus 32 over 9. They are making F the subject of the formula 9C over 5 plus 35. Relationship between Celsius, C, and Kelvin. Temperature in Kelvin is equal to 273 plus T degrees, where F is the absolute temperature. Relationship between Celsius, C, and Fahrenheit, F minus 32 over 9 is equals to C over 5. Thermometers. Constant volume gas thermometer. The thermometric substance is gas, and the physical property used is the change of gas pressure at constant volume with temperature. The temperature TV is degree Celsius on the gas thermometer scale is given by TV equals to VT minus VO all over V 100 minus volume of at 0 times 100, where VT, VO, and V are the respective volume of the gas at constant pressure at temperature consigned. If pressure P is the chosen temperature, measuring quantity, the temperature Tp on the Celsius scale, which corresponds to a value T, is given by the relationship T equals to Pt minus Po all over in bracket P100 minus P100 closing bracket times 100 degrees, where Tp, Po, and P100 are the temperature at T degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius respectively. Resistance thermometer. The thermometric substance is a resistant wire, and the physical property used is change in the resistance of wire with temperature. The liquid temperature Tp in degrees Celsius on a resistance thermometer scale is given by the relationship Tp equal to open bracket T arrow T minus arrow O close bracket all over open bracket arrow 100 minus arrow O closing bracket all in bracket times 100 degrees centigrade, where arrow 100, arrow O, and arrow T are the respective resistance at 100 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, and T degrees Celsius respectively. The constant volume thermometer. Looking at this diagram,